Good morning children. Open your GK book. From there, in previous class I explained test paper. That homework is not came back. Some children are wrote and sent their homework. And remaining children, what you have to do? You have to complete and send back to me. Today, 7 wonders of the world. 7 wonders of the world. इसमें वो कहाँ आता है? उसका नाम क्या है? You have to recognize. One more thing I am telling to you. See children, here I am telling the name of these all the wonders. हम दुनिया में 7 wonders देख सकते हैं. उसका what is the information about that all the wonders that you have to find out from the net. क्या होता है आपको नेट में से बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है. That's why you have to find out and tell your own words. So see children. What we can see in this first picture? See here. What is this? Yes. This is a colosseum. What is this? Colosseum. It is in China. So you have to write here Colosseum. 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 It is in China. China. Next, what we can see in this picture? See. क्या है ये क्या है? This is Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is a wonder of the world. What is the where we can see this? This is we can see in the Mexico. So you have to write here Chichen Itza and you have to write here Mexico. Next, third picture, you all are recognizing and identifying or not? So, see children, what we can see here? That is yes, this is Taj Mahal. What is this? This is a Taj Mahal. You have to write here Taj Mahal that we can see in our country, India. You have to write. And then which statue we can see here? Fourth picture. Just see. Yes. What is this? This is Christ the Redmere. Christ the Redmere. It is a statue that we can see in Brazil. So you have to write here Christ the Redmere and you have to write here Brazil. And then फिफ्थ पिक्चर, ये कौन सा पिक्चर है देखो. विच पिक्चर इज दिस? यस, ruins of Petra. Ruins of Petra you have to write here and that we can see in Jordan. Where we can see? In the Jordan. That you have to write here. And then in the sixth picture, this is the sixth picture. In this sixth picture, Machu Picchu. What is this name? Machu Picchu. Where we can see this Machu Picchu? Peru. That is the name of place. So you have to write here Peru and here write Machu Picchu. And then seventh picture. What we can see here? Seventh picture. Identify children the Great Wall of China. बहुत बड़ा दीवार है ये दुनिया में. This is in China. Where is this? This is in China. So write here the Great Wall of China and write here China. This you have to complete. And then with this, today I am giving information of places for playing. Where we can play the games. Which place we are playing? See here. Every sports is played at a certain place. Look at the following pictures and write the name of the place where each sports is played. You maybe use the help box. So in the first picture, what we can see? This is a cricket. What is this? This is cricket. Where it's played? Particular place रहता है ना सब गेम के लिए. कौन सा प्लेस में खेलते हैं ये? You know ना? That is called ground. This game we are playing on the ground. So you have to write here GROUND, ground. Which game is this? Yes, swimming. This is swimming. Swimming mostly played on a स्विमिंग played in a swimming pool. Pool रहता है ना, उसमें वो खेलते हैं. So POOL, pool you have to write. And then in the third picture, what is this? Athletics. What is this? Athletics. This is played on track. ये ट्रैक दिखाई दे रहा है ना, इस ट्रैक के ऊपर वो रनिंग करते हैं. इसको हम बोलते हैं एथलेटिक गेम दैट प्लेड ऑन अ एथलेटिक ट्रैक. सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर TRACK ट्रैक. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज दिस? टेबल टेनिस. विच गेम यू कैन सी हियर? टेबल टेनिस. टेबल टेनिस ही बोल रहा है. कहाँ खेलते हैं टेबल टेनिस? दैट इज प्लेड ऑन टेबल. टेबल के ऊपर खेलते हैं. इसको टेबल लिखो, TABLE टेबल. नेक्स्ट, in the fifth picture, what we can see here? See children, this is shooting. गन से शूट करते हुए उस गेम को देखा होगा आपने टीवी पे. So what is this? Shooting. This game is played on range. उसका एक अलग रेंज रहता है. There they are played. So you have to write here RANGE range. Next, what is this? Boxing. Boxing. They are wear gloves also not. So boxing is the name of game that they are played on a ring. वो सर्कल टाइप बनाया हुआ रहता है ग्राउंड, उसके अंदर ही वो खेलते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड रिंग. सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर RING रिंग. विच गेम यू कैन सी हियर? दिस इज yes, this is billiards. Billiards, where they are playing? This we can see in the table or not? On the table they are playing this game. Yes or no? So you have to write here TABLE table. Next, which game is this? This is a chess. What is this? Chess game that you and I both are all are playing. Yes or no? This chess particular when what you want to play the chess? Yes, board you want. When you are having the chess board, there you are playing. Yes or not? So you have to write here board. BOARD board. Next, ninth, which game is this? Yes, this is a skating. What is this? This is skating. This game is playing on rink. इसको इस प्लेस को पीछे नीचे है ना, इस प्लेस को हम बोलते हैं रिंक. RINK रिंक. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज दिस? बैडमिंटन. व्हाट इज दिस? बैडमिंटन. Badminton is a play on that place is called court. What is that? Court. Next, which game is this? Etching. What is this? Etching. Etching is played on sea. Sea बोले तो समुंदर, समुंदर में ये खेलते हैं एचिंग गेम. So this is played on sea. SCAC. You have to write here. And then what is this game? This is a rafting. What is this? Rafting. That is played on particular place is called river. River में बहुत सारे दिखने के लिए मिलता है. When you saw the sport channel, these all the games information you are getting in that sport channel. That's why each game, each place you have to recognize and write. Cricket played on the ground, swimming played on the pool, athletic that they are playing on the track, table tennis that place is called table, which place they are playing this game is called table. And then shooting that is playing on that place is called range. And then boxing is playing on that place is called rink. Next, billiards that they are playing on the table. So you have to write here TABLE table. Chess they played on board. And then skating is playing on rink. And then badminton, what is this? Badminton that playing that place is called court. And etching is playing on that place, means it is very large water we can see or not. This is a sea. And then rafting game is playing on the river. Understood children? So what you have to do? This much you have to do the homework and send your homework back to me. Thank you.